I don't know if the video itself is gonna be clear or not, but whatever, man. Oh, a first gen. Oh, it's a first gen Duke, right? Yeah, it's a first gen Duke. Pretty cool, huh? The first gen Duke was pretty cool. It was. It gave off a. I don't know what to call it, but a cyber bike type of vibe. I don't know if that made any sense, but well, whatever. Dude, what the
お前はもう死んでいる。
blink? Okay, well, cool. Ah, damn it! Tomorrow I have an exam.
50 बार बोल रहे हैं पढ़ने निकले वाले छात्रों को राजनीति से दूर रहना चाहिए हैं? अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो, लेकिन नहीं.
Quite literally. I mean tomorrow, like today is 23 of April, and tomorrow, that is 24, I have an exam. Damn it. Damn it. Quite literally. Being behind a truck, because that is way much scarier than being behind a car, because cars have like clear glasses, you can see through them. Even the big cars, you can see through them that what is coming ahead or what not is coming. You can at least see something. Trucks are like rectangular blocks. You can't see shit if they are turning on a curve or they are just ahead of you. You can't see shit, and yeah, it will be pretty risky if you decide to overtake one.
ぎゅうぎゅうって楽しさいっぱいな毎日が待っとるよね。行ってきまーす。
I don't know. I don't know why people compare me to Anurag Salgaonkar though. I mean, I have seen some of his videos, and yeah, he's a pretty darn good vlogger as well. I don't know why they compare me to him, because there was this one video I made about Expulse. So yeah, there were these two comments which, and yeah, dude, according to me, for a video which has got 500 views, and I don't know how many likes though, but yeah, which has got 500 views, then it's a big deal for me, because I'm just a small guy, dude. I'm just a small guy compared to Anurag Salgaonkar. Why are you guys comparing me to him? Like, whoa, that was an unexpected hump. Just like the comments in my Expulse video. Wow. So I will obviously put up the comments that what they wear. And yeah, I don't have the equipment like him. Okay, that's one difference. But yeah, I can't speak like him. My English is not so darn good as him, and I'm horrible at communicating with others. But yeah, I can't make the sort of videos he makes, because he is a pro at that, and I still don't know about how to edit and make videos as such, like the cinematics and whatever the ratios, and I'm not as responsible as him, because yeah, he does wear riding gloves. He does wear riding gloves and riding gear for even commuting, I guess. Yeah, so that's what it is. And I guess I have already said about his bike though. He has got a very good bike. It's a very nice bike.
What is that, bro?
But after those two comments, I kind of followed him on Instagram, and yeah, he literally has a fan base. He literally has a fan base, and people do think that I'm kind of violating that fan base or the sentiments related to that. Dude, I've literally never ever met the guy. How? How can you? What the? What the? Those comments were like that car. They just came unexpectedly like this. So, yeah. I never ever thought that I would get that much traction on that particular video. He's a responsible rider. He takes care of his bikes. Okay, not bikes, though bike, only bike. Yeah. The Continental GT650 limited edition. That bike is sweet. And yeah, tag Anurag Salgaonkar, dude. Why not? You can tag him. You guys can tag him. Whoever so sees this video, please do me the favor. I would like to meet Anurag once. Meet him personally, not on the camera or not on the any type of shit like that. But oh shit, dude. Holy mother of gods. I am stuck in traffic. Well, is there a free path to go? No, sir. There is no free path to go or overtake this huge behemoth of a machine here. And well, I kind of like to vlog in English. That's the only similarity I can find between me and him. Dude, if you are comparing me to such a great vlogger, such a responsible rider, a moto enthusiast, then yeah, I am proud of myself. No, totally. Yeah. So yeah. What else, dude? What else? What else is there to say?